How to replace fuser film and pressure roller. HP LaserJet Pro M402n. This printer experienced a paper jam in the fuser assembly and was sent to TechFix Everything's for repair. While servicing the printer, I took the opportunity to record this video to share with you the proper procedure for replacing the fuser film sleeve and pressure roller. I hope you enjoy the video and find it helpful. Dear viewers and friends, your support truly inspires and motivates me to keep creating more useful and informative videos to share with everyone. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave a comment to let me know where you're watching from. Thank you very much for your kind support. First, turn off the printer and unplug all power and data cables. Then, remove the toner cartridge and set it aside. Next, carefully remove the printer's outer cover without opening the front door. Please follow along as I demonstrate. At this spot, there's a screw. Please remove it carefully. Remove the 2 back cover screws, then the 4 fuser screws. Unplug the 3 connectors, and carefully take out the fuser unit. Remove the 2 screws on top, then detach the 2 side springs securing the fuser unit. The print appears quite dark. Please remember to select the appropriate paper typesetting when printing to help prevent paper jams. When you choose photo or thick paper mode, the fuser increases its temperature and slows the print speed to ensure the toner properly fuses onto the paper. This is a useful tip for printing documents or images with heavy toner coverage. Please avoid using sharp objects such as scissors, pen tips, or metal clips to remove jammed paper. Doing so may tear the fuser film or damage the pressure roller, as shown in this video. For the best results, please contact a qualified printer or photocopier technician for proper assistance. Now, I'm going to replace the pressure roller. Normally, you should also replace the bushings that come with it. However, since these bushings are still in excellent condition and were replaced not long ago, I'll reuse them for this repair. Clean the parts thoroughly, then apply a thin, even layer of fuser grease. The fuser film has two ends. The end with the black ring should be positioned on the same side as the pressure roller gear. Success. The print quality is excellent, the toner is well fused, and there are no more paper jams. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Your support means a lot and encourages me to create more helpful videos for everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Your support means a lot and encourages me to create more helpful videos for everyone.